Well, Carol had done this experiment, and we stood just in the lab, and I remember sort of standing there, and she had this, we call it a gel, it's an autoradiogram, because there was trace amounts of radioactivity that were used to develop an image of the separated DNA products of what turned out to be the telomerase enzyme reaction. And I remember looking at it and just thinking, this could be very big. This looks just right. It had a pattern to it. There was, a regularity to it. There was something that was not just sort of garbage there. And that was really kind of coming through, even though, we look back at it now, we'd say, oh, well, technically, there was this, that, and the other, but, it was a pattern shining through, and it just had this sort of sense, there's something real here. But then, of course, the good scientist has to be very skeptical and immediately say, okay, we're going to test this everywhere around here and really nail this one way or the other. If it's going to be true, it has to be, you have to make sure that it's true, because you can get a lot of false leads, especially if you're wanting something to work.